In this video, I'll show you how to move Valorant to another disk. Now first what you want to do is you want to open up your Riot client. In here, click up here and go to settings and find Valorant. Now find your install path. For me, it's on my D drive, so I'm gonna go in here. Now what you want to do is come in here and find the Riot Games, Valorant. And what you want to do is right click on it, press cut, then come back on here, go to your other disk, right click and paste it. Now then what you want to do is simply wait for this to be done. It will take some time, so I'll just be back when it's done. Now once it's done and your Valorant has been transferred successfully, what you want to do is close down your Riot right here. And then you want to open up Riot client once again. Press yes if it asks you. And just let it open up. Now once you're here, what you want to do is just log into your account real quick. And you should see your Valorant right here. Click on Valorant and you should see the install button. Now don't click install, just head up here. Click here once. But don't click install here. What you want to do is press already installed down here. And then you want to select where you just moved it to. So as you saw, I moved it from my D to my C drive. So I'll click on Valorant and then press live and press OK. Now give it 1 second and it should say update instead of installing. Now it will just quickly do an update and then you can basically play it from a new drive. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.